Hi everybody and welcome to Homeschool with Mrs. Simpson. Today I'm looking at how to find a fraction of an amount. So a fraction, the key thing to remember is that a fraction is a divide by. A fraction just means a part of. So if you're looking, let me just close the window up. If you're looking to find a half of £18, I am sure that you could do that in your head. Got the answer? £9? Yes, you did. And that's because you know that a half means, one half means divide by 2. Now, that's the same with every single fraction. So, in fact, the line in the middle of a fraction, the line in the middle, you can have any number you want on the top and any number you want on the bottom. Look what you've made. A divide by sign. So, if you've got a fraction that says we would like to please have 2/3 of, let's say 18. So, this fraction says divide by, the line means divide by 3. So that's your first job. So you've got your 18, you do your 18, you divide it by 3, and you get 6. So that finds you 1/3 because you've divided by 3. You found your third. Oh, it wants 2/3. So it wants 2 of those. So we then take our 6 and we have to double it because it said, I want 2 of them, please. 2 of them makes £12. Okay, so 2/3 of £18 is £12. We have to divide by 3 and then find as many of them as they want. One more practice here. Can you please find for me 3/5 of 25? So again, our fraction says divide by 5. So that is your first job. You must always do as a fraction says because fractions, they rule the world. It says divide by 5, so you must divide by 5. What is 25 divided by 5? You're right. It's 5. So 25 divided by 5 equals 5. That gets you 1/5. How many does it want? This fraction is demanding 3 of those. So 3 of those is 3 of them equals 15. So you have to do just what the fraction says. It says, I want 3/5 of this 25. I'm taking it. So you have to divide by the 5 and then you have to give it 3 of those, whatever you come up with. So I'd like you to please try a couple of questions for me. Can you please find me 1/7 of 28? Then, once you've found your 1/7 of 28, can you please tell me what 3/7 of 28 are? Press pause, work it out, and then come back and I'll see if you've done well. So 1/7 of 28, it says divide by 7, do it now, and I only want one of them. So what is 28 divided by 7? Did you get 4? I hope so. So 4, and it wants one of those. Oh, it only wants that 4, it wants a little bit. And 1/7 is only a little bit. So sensibly wise, we can check and see. Now he wants a bit more. He wants 3/7 of 28. So 3/7 says divide by 7. 28 divided by 7 is 4. We just did it. But he doesn't want one of them. He wants 3 of them. So 3 of those is 12. Now what if we had to find 5/7 of 28? Well, first job, it says divide by 7. You must divide by 7. So 28 divided by 7, 4. But it doesn't just want one of them, it wants 5 of them. So what are 5 fours? Well done. So that is how you find a fraction of an amount. You simply do as the fraction says because it could beat you with a stick otherwise. Divide by 7. Divide by 5 if it's fifths. Divide by 3 if it's thirds. Whatever it tells you to do. And then just hand over as many as the numerator, the number on the top, tells you to. Best of luck with finding fractions of amounts. It's easier than you think.